Are you tired of chronic pain and arthritis? Imagine a world where relief is not found in a pill bottle, but in the very roots, leaves and flowers of our planet. Welcome to the realm of herbal remedies, where we're rekindling our bond with Mother Nature to fight chronic pain and arthritis. This is not a new concept, but a path well trodden by our ancestors who harnessed the healing powers of plants long before the advent of modern medicine. Herbs are potent gifts from nature, packed with compounds that can tackle inflammation, ease pain, and improve mobility. When we harness these herbs, we're not just treating symptoms, we're also nourishing our bodies with natural, wholesome ingredients. The result? A path to wellness that is sustainable, gentle, and empowering. In this video, we're going to delve deeper into the world of herbs and their role in combating chronic pain and arthritis. We'll be exploring a variety of herbs, each with its unique set of healing properties. From the golden turmeric, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, to the fragrant boswellia, a joint supporter with a long history in traditional medicine. We'll also be discussing ginger, a natural pain reliever, and willow bark, often referred to as nature's aspirin. But we won't stop there. We'll also guide you on how to incorporate these herbs into your routine, so you can seamlessly integrate these healing solutions into your daily life. Remember, while herbs offer a natural route to health, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? A journey that takes us back to our roots, reconnects us with nature, and empowers us to take charge of our well-being. Join me as we explore these healing herbs and learn how they can empower your journey towards a pain-free life. Our first herb on this healing journey is turmeric. This vibrant golden spice, native to Southeast Asia, is not just a culinary delight, but a treasure chest of health benefits. The star ingredient of turmeric is curcumin, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So why is this important? Well, inflammation, while necessary for our body's healing process, can become problematic when it becomes chronic. And that's where turmeric steps in. Turmeric's curcumin acts like a natural aspirin, blocking enzymes in our body that promote inflammation. This helps alleviate symptoms of chronic pain, particularly in conditions like arthritis, where inflammation of the joints is a major pain contributor. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop there. It also aids in protecting our heart health, boosting our immune system, and even improving brain function. Impressive, isn't it? Now you might be wondering how to incorporate this golden wonder into your daily routine. The beauty of turmeric is that it's versatile and easy to use. You can add a pinch of turmeric to your soups, stews, or smoothies. If you're a fan of teas, you can make a soothing cup of turmeric tea, which is not only comforting but also beneficial for your health. And for those who like a bit of spice in their life, adding turmeric to your curries not only enhances the flavor but also boosts its nutritional profile. However, it's important to note that curcumin is not easily absorbed by our bodies. But don't worry, combining it with black pepper can enhance its absorption significantly. So, next time you're cooking with turmeric, don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper. Remember, while turmeric is generally safe for most people, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you're on medication or have an existing health condition. So there you have it. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or even enjoying a comforting cup of turmeric tea. Embrace the power of this golden spice and let it empower your journey towards a healthier, pain-free life. Next up, we have boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense, a powerful herb which has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. This herb is hailed for its remarkable ability to support joint health and mobility, particularly for those dealing with chronic conditions like arthritis. Boswellia is packed with potent compounds known as boswellic acids. These acids are the superstars behind boswellia's impressive anti-inflammatory properties. They work by blocking the enzymes that trigger inflammation, making them particularly effective in reducing inflammation in the joints. This action can help to relieve pain, reduce swelling, and improve overall joint function. Studies have suggested that boswellia might be just as effective as some conventional medications in managing arthritis symptoms, but without the side effects often associated with long-term use of pharmaceutical drugs. That's a win-win situation for those who are seeking a more natural path to wellness. But how can you incorporate boswellia into your wellness regimen? Well, it's quite simple really. Boswellia is available in supplement form, which can be taken orally. This allows the beneficial compounds to be absorbed and utilized by the body, offering systemic support for joint health. Alternatively, boswellia can also be used topically in the form of essential oil. When applied to the skin over affected joints, the oil can penetrate deep into the tissues, delivering its anti-inflammatory benefits directly to the source of discomfort. This can provide targeted relief for joint pain and inflammation. But remember, as with any natural remedy, it's important to use boswellia as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and stress management. And of course, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're currently taking medication or have an existing health condition. So there you have it. Boswellia, the joint supporter, a powerful ally in your journey towards better joint health and enhanced mobility. You can find boswellia supplements or use it in essential oil form for topical applications to ease joint pain. Ginger, a beloved herb in traditional medicine, is a natural pain reliever. This versatile root has been a staple in many cultures around the world for centuries, not just for its unique flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. One of the key components in ginger is gingerol. This bioactive compound is responsible for much of ginger's medicinal properties. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and has analgesic properties, which means it can help relieve pain. In fact, studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly effective for managing chronic pain and arthritis. Inflammation is a key factor in these conditions, and by reducing inflammation, ginger can help reduce pain and improve mobility. In one study, participants with osteoarthritis who took ginger extract experienced less pain and required fewer pain medications. But the benefits of ginger don't stop at pain relief. This little root is also a powerhouse of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging and various diseases, including arthritis. So ginger not only helps manage the symptoms of arthritis, but also tackles one of its root causes. Incorporating ginger into your diet is simple. You can add it to your meals in various forms. Fresh ginger can be grated into stir-fries, soups, and smoothies. Dried ginger powder can be used in baking or sprinkled on top of your morning oatmeal. And of course, there's the classic ginger tea, a warm and comforting drink that's not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Ginger oil is another way to harness the pain-relieving properties of this herb. Applied topically, ginger oil can provide localized relief for joint pain and inflammation. Just remember to dilute it with a carrier oil before applying to avoid skin irritation. Enjoy it in your meals, as a tea, or even apply ginger oil topically for localized relief. Ginger truly is a versatile and powerful ally in your journey towards a pain-free life. Willow bark, derived from the bark of willow trees, has been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever. This humble bark holds a secret weapon against chronic pain and arthritis, a compound called salicin. In fact, salicin is so effective that it was the model for the synthetic compound acetylsalicylic acid, more commonly known as aspirin. Willow bark works by reducing inflammation at the site of pain, offering relief and comfort. Unlike synthetic painkillers, which can sometimes lead to stomach discomfort and other side effects, willow bark can provide relief in a gentler, more natural way. You can harness the power of willow bark in two main forms: supplements and tea. Supplements provide a concentrated dose of salicin, while a comforting cup of willow bark tea can be a soothing addition to your daily routine. Remember, it's always important to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Willow bark supplements or tea can be a gentle yet effective way to manage chronic pain and arthritis symptoms. Incorporating these herbs into your routine is simple and empowering. Start with turmeric, a versatile spice you can add to your meals. A sprinkle in your soup or curry or a comforting cup of turmeric tea can make a world of difference. Boswellia, on the other hand, can be used as an oil for massages or taken as a supplement. It's a powerful ally for your joints. Ginger too can be enjoyed in various ways. Add it to your dishes, brew it into a tea, or use ginger oil for topical relief. And let's not forget willow bark, nature's aspirin. Enjoy it as a tea or take it as a supplement to help manage your pain and inflammation. However, it's important to remember that while these herbs have potent healing properties, they should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.